Yeah, sure, why not?
And it is what it is. Let's see how the user world responds. So let us know in the comments below what you think about the new products. And we're gonna address a comment here by David. He says, keep your eyes on Apple buying an eVTOL company in the future. I have a hunch that this will happen, and I think the company they're going to buy is Lilium.
Aesthetic wise, I can see it. I can see it there with this, visualize it. Lilium's German-based company. I don't know. No, I don't know. Lilium's got a lot of backing already that they've raised. They're in with a lot of different things. They have already talking to vertiports. They've got vertiports going in different locations.
Here.
Yeah, there's one actually near here as well. I don't know. What do you think? I'm not sure. I can see it like visually, but I don't know. I'm not sure.
So here's the thing: as a money-making move in their verticals and what Apple brings to the table, Apple brings to the table obviously M1 Silica, which is them making their own chips, having their own interfaces and things of that nature is great. Apple is probably the #1 used product inside of cockpits today as an electronic flight bag. Okay, basically
non-panel mounted.
Non-panel mounted, right? So iPads have literally replaced what pilots used to drag around with them in a separate case with tons of information, including airport information, approach information. It allows you to communicate with company and literally, have a two-way communication with them open at all times when necessary on the ground.
Right.
So Apple products do have that part of aviation pretty much lock, stock, and barrel for the last 10 years. That has been almost their own domain, right?
That's something on the person though, right?
Right, but
didn't we know what the avionics are on the Lilium?
Well, that's the thing.
Aren't
so
they
in
Garmin's?
Which one?
Or are there Honeywell's other places?
No, Honeywell's other places.
And Lilium?
I think Lilium might be going with Garmin. So I'm trying to find out if it really aligns with their verticals. But as far as their verticals with green technology and aligning with mobility and things of that nature, I'm still waiting for the Apple Car, unless they think that it's not worth it to be in the Apple Car market and they're going to go straight to the eVTOL market. I don't know. That's a really good question. Something that's worth reviewing because let's face it, they have the money to make the purchase power that, they have the purchasing dollars. So it's not like they don't have capital that they could invest into other places. And Lilium could very well be on their, on the top of their list. Just not sure how they would fit it in with their verticals at the moment. So,
it looks like back in June, there's a press release from Lilium there with Honeywell currently then.
Okay,
which
so
we did some stuff on Honeywell recently.
Yeah, we did.
Well,
Their new glass cockpit is going to be amazing.
Yeah, so I'm not sure whether other than past like just investment purchases.
Yeah, just raw investment.
Where does Apple fit in? Because I don't know.
Good question. Good question. Hey, David, you know what? We'll keep our eyes open for it. And if you got anything else that can support that, let us know by all means,
totally
because we're totally, interested in taking a look at that by far if Apple's going to make that type of move. Okay, let's wrap this one up. Again, like, subscribe, follow. Let us know what you think in the comments below. So much more to talk about with the Apple and their products. They're always releasing something. They also released new earpods, which is nice. $179, but they're lacking the noise canceling of the Pros. But yeah, we'll see. But emphatically, one thing, this once again puts the MacBook Pro on top of pretty much every other computing device out there that is portable. So it is what it is. All right. Corey's going to take the floor now, and he's